Hey everyone, today we are venturing into the heart of a step-by-step guide and covering the intricacies of starting, operating, and scaling your very own digital marketing agency in the dynamic landscape of 2024. I am absolutely pumped to share a wealth of insights and strategies with you to empower your journey in the world of digital marketing. If you are new here, now is the perfect time to hit that subscribe button. We've got a plethora of valuable content lined up for you. Without further ado, let's kick things off with this transformative series by delving into the first and foundational step: how to set goals and expectations for your digital marketing agency. Get ready for a journey filled with actionable advice and innovative strategies to elevate your digital marketing game. Setting financial goals. Let us boldly confront the financial aspect, addressing the proverbial elephant in the room. How much can one realistically earn with a digital marketing agency? Reflecting on some personal journey alongside with a brother when embarking on an agency venture. The initial aim was rather modest: to fund a college education. Setting such insights on a target of $5 to $10,000 per month felt like a significant milestone at the time, indicative of the dedication and hard work that we're prepared to invest in such entrepreneurial endeavor. Now, let us keep it real. Unless you are the next Einstein, expecting to pull in $100,000 next month might be a stretch. However, here is the exciting part. I genuinely believe that with unwavering dedication and a strategic approach, anyone can achieve the remarkable milestone of earning $10,000 per month within just 90 days. It is about setting realistic yet ambitious goals, leveraging effective strategies, and staying committed to the journey of growth. In this video, I am here to share the blueprint with you, completely free of charge. We will delve into insights, practical advice, and tried and true strategies that have propelled many digital marketing entrepreneurs to financial success. So, buckle up for an enlightening journey as we explore the pathway to financial success in the dynamic and rewarding realm of digital marketing. Now, let us dive into the intricacies of the numbers. On the lower end of the spectrum, there exists the potential to generate a few $1,000s per month, especially if you prefer a more passive approach, perhaps while maintaining your day job or staying committed to your education. However, it is crucial not to let the lower end limit your aspirations. I have witnessed individuals achieve remarkable success, making hundreds of thousands of dollars per month with their digital marketing agencies. In such entrepreneurial journey, these brothers discovered a sweet spot, consistently earning five figures monthly. Opting for efficiency, strategically decided to outsource most tasks, allowing us to focus on high-impact activities that fuel growth. But here is the thrilling part. You can scale it even further. Envision your agency not only reaching 20, 30, 40, or even $50 per month, but also automating the process. Picture your agency generating income while you explore new business ventures or simply enjoy a well-deserved vacation. It is not just a dream. We have turned this vision into a reality. The potential for financial success in the world of digital marketing is expansive, and with the right strategies, dedication, and a touch of automation, your agency can become a revenue-generating powerhouse. The key lies in understanding the scalability of your operations, identifying opportunities for automation, and strategically positioning your agency in the ever-evolving digital landscape. So, as we navigate through the numerical intricacies, keep in mind that the sky's the limit when it comes to the financial potential of your digital marketing agency. Choosing the right business partner. Now, let us skillfully navigate the terrain of setting goals and expectations within the context of your business partners. Determining who will join you on this entrepreneurial venture is a pivotal aspect of your agency's success. While the prospect of starting a business with a friend may seem enticing, believe me, it comes with its set of challenges. Throughout my journey, I have witnessed friendships strained and broken due to business disagreements more times than I can count. My recommendation? Exercise utmost cautious and discernment in choosing your business partners and determining who will hold equity in the business. While a 50-50 split might initially sound fair, it has the potential to lead to complications down the line. Consider keeping your circle small, perhaps just yourself or at most one other person. The fewer individuals involved, the better. Strive to retain as much equity as possible and contemplate bringing others on board as consultants or freelancers without diluting your ownership. This strategic approach not only allows you to maintain a firm grip on the decision-making process, but also ensures the sustained growth and success of your digital marketing agency. By carefully selecting partners who align with your vision and values, you create a foundation for a harmonious and efficient working relationship. As we traverse the landscape of business partnerships, I will share insights into effective communication, conflict resolution, and establishing clear roles and responsibilities. The journey of entrepreneurship is undoubtedly more rewarding when undertaken with the right partners, and navigating this terrain with a strategic mindset will undoubtedly contribute to the long-term prosperity of your digital marketing agency. Before we delve into the finer details, let us shine a spotlight on the critical aspect of entity formation. Selecting the right structure for your agency is pivotal, as it significantly influences your liability, tax implications, and overall business operations. While this topic can get a bit technical, fear not, we will meticulously break it down in upcoming episodes, ensuring that you gain a comprehensive understanding of its nuances. Consider understanding your entity formation as a key to laying the foundation for a sturdy house. While it might not be the flashiest part of the process, it is undeniably vital for ensuring long-term success. Just as well-constructed foundation provides stability and endurance to a structure, choosing the right entity formation sets the groundwork for your agency's resilience and prosperity in the ever-evolving landscape of digital marketing. Stay tuned as we unravel the intricacies of this crucial aspect in our upcoming discussions, offering insights and guidance to empower your decision-making process. We will explore various entity structures such as limited liability companies or LLCs, corporations and partnerships, delving into the advantages and considerations of each. By the end of our exploration, you'll be equipped with the knowledge needed to make informed decisions that align with the unique needs and goals of your digital marketing agency. Congratulations on completing one of our series on launching a digital marketing agency. Throughout this journey, we have delved into the essentials of setting financial goals, explored potential earnings, and shared valuable insights on the nuanced process of choosing the right business partners. If you found this information valuable and insightful, do not forget to show your support by hitting the like button. Moreover, your engagement is crucial to us, so feel free to drop a comment below with any questions or specific topics you'd like us to cover in future videos. Your input guides the direction of our content, ensuring that it remains relevant and beneficial to your entrepreneurial journey. For a steady stream of valuable content, make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. You have a plethora of insights lined up just for you, ranging from advanced digital marketing strategies to practical tips for optimizing your business operations. Thank you for being part of our community, and here is to your continued success in the world of digital marketing. That's it for today. If this concept resonated with you, then stay tuned for our next video where I will introduce how to start your LLC for a digital marketing agency. Comprehensive guide. Thank you for watching, and I will see you until the next one.